Okay, it's our favorite time of day again, the end of day video. So today, I spent most of the day just assisting my brother where needed as he massaged these gaps. And I tell you, he's got the gaps looking good. So he finished with the left side, and I hung the right fender, and can't get much better than that. Now he says he still wants to massage them a little bit more before he calls it job done. But yeah, it's coming together. And the only other thing I actually did today is I put the hazard relay and overdrive relay on. Woot for me. So yeah, it's almost like a milestone getting the side sheet metal on. He's still got to work his magic on the hood though. That's the last piece. And then more sanding. A little later. One thing I'd like to point out is I do these 1 to 2 minute videos, and you might look at it and think, oh, that's nice, but what I showed you today in this video, getting these gaps to where they are, that was probably about 6 hours worth of work. I'm sure most people have no clue what it takes to get panels to line up that precisely and look this good. Kudos to my brother. I tell you, he knocks it out of the ballpark with this stuff. Couldn't do it without him. Later.